day everyone, my name is Chemi Kalismagay, PSTM 1.9. I'm here to teach you my learning journey in academic communication.
Let's proceed. Activity 1, the first line, was about my career goals in the future. It talked about how we should communicate with other people, especially when there are problems. Activity 2, this one was about the love between two people. It said that no matter how much you love each other, if you are not really destined to be together. In the end, I know many of you can relate to this. The next line, this was my outline. It tells how to create the format for writing the final essay, including what should be included, such as the thesis statement and connector that should be in your final essay. In activity 4, this the final essay I learned. Here, how to properly write an essay. It wasn't easy. I revised it several times. To achieve this, it showed how much to receive decline during the pandemic COVID-19. Next year, we learned that not all AI essays are correct. We changed and removed many things, just the big reference provided the essay and many others. The next activity, this was about the step-by-step process of writing an essay. It taught us how to arrange an essay, such as using connectors and organizing the conclusion of an essay. Finally, here we created a draft of the final essay to learn the actual process of writing. I learned how to create a thesis statement and what needed to be changed and removed when writing my final essay. Academic communication is indeed a rewarding field or study, as it equips you with essential skills and professional success. It covers not only the fundamentals of effective interpersonal communication, but also the specific convention of formal academic writing, which includes mastering correct grammar, syntax, and scholarly tone. Furthermore, it focuses heavily on developing public speaking prowess, helping the student overcome anxiety and project confidence when presenting complex information to an audience. That's all, everyone. Thank you very much for listening my learning journey in academic communication. I hope you learned something to my presentation. Thank you, everyone.